Okay, good morning all of you. We are discussing about the non-ideal gases or real gases. We are discussing, see what is the meaning of non-ideal or real gases. What is the meaning and what are the things we have to discuss related to this one. I will explain to you, see carefully. Is the first point we have to discuss about the ideal gas. Later we will come to know the non-ideal gas. Ideal gas means is nothing but gas which obeys all gaseous laws or all gas laws at all conditions, already we learned, and follows postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases. Ideal gas means the gas which obeys all gas laws at all conditions and follows postulates of KMT, means kinetic molecular theory of gases, is calling as a ideal gas. But what is the meaning of non-ideal gas? So is nothing but a gas which cannot obeys all gas laws, and as well as all postulates of the KMT is called as non-ideal gases. These non-ideal gases is also calling as a real gases. I told already no ideal gas in the universe. So that only we are telling no ideal gas in the universe. No ideal gas in universe means all gases are which gases? Real gases. Means all gases what we have, all gases are non-ideal gas are also calling as a real gases. Also calling as a real gases. In the universe, no gas is the ideal gas. Whatever gases we have, all are having a non-ideal nature or real nature. Means no gas is perfectly obeying all the gas laws at all conditions and will not follow, may not be follow all the postulates of the KMT. That's why no ideal gas in the universe. Whatever gases we have, all are real gases. How they studied whatever gases we have, they are real gases or non-ideal gases. For that, they taken one graph. They taken, see carefully, the concept is very important. We are taking pressures of x-axis, PV values we are taking on y-axis. When you take Boyle's law, PV is equals to constant. PV is equals to constant from the Boyle's law. That's why what has to be get, PV has to become constant or parallel to pressure or volume axis. If you are getting like this, means parallel line we are getting means the gas is calling as a ideal gas, but no gas is giving like this. Means if you study for different gases, we are getting hydrogen gas and as well as helium gas, and like that we can take, this is the CO gas and CH4 gas, like this. Means whatever gases we have in the universe, though all gases we are getting other than a parallel line we are getting. Some gases information coming above the line, some gases is coming like below the line. So finally no gas is having ideal nature, means all the gases are real gases. Means if you apply the pressure of, you are going on increasing the pressure, PV value may going on increasing or decreasing and increasing, some changes is coming but not coming ideal nature. So to explain these things, what are the real things, is observe very carefully why these deviations is coming. So these deviations is because of two wrong assumptions in the KMT. So means two wrong assumptions in KMT. Due to that one, like this, the graphs is giving some deviation from its ideal nature. What are the two wrong assumptions in the KMT? Generally, what kinetic molecular theory told between the gas molecules, there is no force of attraction and no repulsive force. No force of attraction and no repulsive force, means between the molecules there is no force of attraction as well as there is no repulsive force. Okay, but actually they told like that, but what happening, this would be considered at some special cases. I will explain that one. And one more thing, it told volume of gas molecules is neglected. He told neglected. Compare with which one? Volume of the container. Volume of the gas molecule is neglected. Compare with the volume of container or vessel. Yes, they told like that, but these two conditions is not correct at all conditions. These two are correct when some special condition, means if you take very low pressure means these two are failed. These two are failed, or these two are wrong assumptions when we should maintain high pressure. We should maintain high pressure and low temperature. So when you maintain high pressure and low temperature, these two are wrong assumptions. Why? When you maintain low temperature, the molecules are very close together. Between them, some force of attraction will be operating. But he told no force of attraction. Are you understanding or no? Means these two postulates will not be worked out for the gases at all conditions. These two are deviating from its ideal nature when we take a low temperature. Sir, how can you convert the real gas into ideal gas? Just you see carefully, we have real gases we have. I want to make it as a ideal gas. I want to make it, this bit is very important. Real gas means what we have, attractive forces will be there. Now I want to disturb that attractive force, means no force of attraction I want to make it. Right now we have a real gas, in that force of attraction is there. I want to break the force of attraction. What I should do? I should maintain high temperature and as well as a low pressure I should maintain. Whenever you maintain high temperature, what happening between the gas molecule, force of attraction will be breakdown and converting into ideal gas. No, for example, you want to make it ideal gas as a real gas. No force of attraction, I want to make it as a force of attraction. Then molecule should come closer. When molecule should come closer, low temperature and we should maintain high pressure. This is the important things, real gas into ideal gas and ideal gas into real gas. So this real gas convert into ideal gas. The temperature at which real gas changed as ideal gas is called as a Boyle's temperature, denoted by TB. So what is the meaning of Boyle's temperature? If you take a real gas, actually force of attraction will be there. I want to make it as a ideal gas, means I have to break down the force of attraction. To break down the force of attraction, what temperature is required? That particular temperature only we are calling as Boyle's temperature. A temperature at which real gas behaves like a ideal gas is calling as a Boyle's temperature. And what are the two wrong assumptions? Yes, they are deviating from this one, but they are happy at where high temperature condition and low pressure condition. Now we are discussing about the study of deviation of real gases from ideal nature. Means deviation, this is important, deviation of real gases from ideal nature can be studied by using compressibility factor. What is that one? So the deviation of real gases from ideal nature. Yes, from its ideal nature, some gases may come above and below, means some more deviations is coming. The deviation of the real gases from its ideal nature studying by using compressibility factor denoted by Z letter. Sir, what is the meaning of compressibility factor, and how we can study how much deviation from its ideal nature, everything? See, compressibility factor Z is equals to volume of a gas when real nature by volume of a gas when it has ideal nature. So compressibility factor is defined as the ratio of volume of the gas when it has real nature by volume of a gas when it has ideal nature. But we know very well from ideal gas equation, PV is equals to PV ideal is equals to nRT. But I am taking N is equals to 1 mole of gas I am taking amount, then we are getting PV of ideal nature is equals to RT. Then volume of a ideal gas is equals to RT by P. So V ideal can we substitute here? Yes. Then what we are getting? Z is equals to V real gas volume nature by volume of ideal. Volume of ideal can be written as RT by P. So Z is equals to what can be written? P into volume of a real gas nature by RT will be coming. So generally while studying the deviation of real gas from ideal nature, we are using this concept Z is equals to volume of a gas when it has real nature by volume of a gas when it has ideal nature. Is the very important concept. Just you see, I will explain some concept here. For example, you take this is the which one pressure values we are taking here. Z values we are taking here. Z value may come 1, this is the 0, this is the 2. Okay, if Z value is equals to 1 means yes, that is calling as a ideal gas. Yes, I will explain to you. First case is nothing but Z is equals to 1. When volume of a real gas is equals to volume of the ideal gas, then the ratio is coming 1. So ideal gas means what we can tell? No force of attraction and no repulsive force between the molecules. No repulsive force between molecules. No force of attraction and no repulsive force means the gas is calling as a ideal gas. Second case, you may get Z is less than 1. See the concept carefully, is asking in the competitive. This is for example O2 gas and CO gas and CH4 gas, and some other will be there. You can take hydrogen gas, helium gas and nitrogen gas, like this will be there. See, did you observe or no, for few gases at a particular pressure the Z value will be greater than 1. For some gases we are getting Z value will be less than 1 we are getting. Less than 1 means yes, you take these graphs you take, means when we are getting Z value will be less than 1. Yes, when you are getting this value will be 1, denominator will be high. So means volume of ideal gas is more than volume of the gas at real nature. Are sir, why in the real gas volume is less? Why volume is less? Why volume is less means is nothing but force of attraction will be high. If force of attraction will be high, the gas can easily converting into liquid or no? Yes, 100%. So when Z value will be less than 1, we are getting force of attraction will be high between the molecules. force of attraction will be high between the molecule means the gas is easily liquefy. Yes, the gases which are coming graphs is less than 1, those gases can easily liquefy because of force of attraction will be high. No, third case, Z value is greater than 1, Z value will be greater than 1 means what? Yes, when you are getting this ratio will be more than 1, denominator will be less or numerator will be high. Means volume of ideal gas will be less than volume of real gas nature. Real gas volume is more. Why volume is more? Repulsive force is more. That's why here repulsive force is high between the molecules. When we have Z value will be greater than 1. Repulsive force between the molecules is high. Is it condensed? No. That's why it's difficult to liquefy. Difficult to liquefy the gases. It's a very simple thing and very important thing we have to understand. As Z value may possibilities are equals to 1, less than 1, greater than 1. Equals to 1 means volume of a gas is equals to volume of ideal nature, means no force of attraction, no repulsive force between them. Actually no gas is existing like this. For example, existing means is calling as a ideal gas. No gas is there. But some deviations will be coming from its ideal nature. Okay, what is the deviations? How can you study? By using a compressibility factor we are discussing. Just you see, is the Z value is less than 1. Z value less than 1 means when you are getting denominator will be high or numerator will be less. Numerator will be less means real gas volume is less. Why we are getting less volume? More force of attraction. More force of attraction is easily converting into liquid. That's why the gases which are having less than 1 Z value, though gases are easily liquefy. If you take greater than, yes, greater than 1, like hydrogen gas and helium gas, it never liquefy. Why? Why? Always between the molecule what happening? Repulsive force is dominating. Because of repulsive forces, whatever you do, these hydrogen gas and helium gas never will becomes liquefy. That's why Z value will be greater than 1, though gases are difficult to liquefy. All of you understood? Yes. Now we are discussing about the means deviation and how can you identify the deviation also be done? Yes or no? Yes. Now we are discussing the one important concept we are discussing. See carefully. See very carefully. Z value is 3, equals to 1, greater than 1, less than 1. Z value less than 1 means easy to liquefy. And Z value greater than 1 means difficult to liquefy. Why? Greater than 1 means repulsive force is dominating between the molecules, but less than 1 means attractive force is dominating between the molecules. Okay, now yes, actually we did the ideal gas equation, but ideal gas means no gas is there, that's why the equation is useless. Now we have to discuss about one important concept, Van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation. Okay, is one of the great scientists. What he did? Van der Waals equation is applied for the real gases. Van der Waals proposed one equation applied to real gases. Applied to real gases. Applied to real gases by doing two corrections in ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. So actually ideal gas equation is there, but the equation is not useful. Why? Because no gas is ideal. That's why Van der Waals, what he did, he applied the one equation to real gases by doing two corrections in ideal gas equation. In the ideal gas equation he did some corrections, then we can apply the equation for real gases also. What are the two corrections he done? First one is the pressure correction. Another one is the volume correction. Is important. Concept understand carefully. First of all, A, pressure correction we are discussing. Pressure correction. So if you take the real gas, why you have to do pressure correction and everything we have to discuss. Actually, if you take a gaseous sample, actually ideal gas equation means what is that one? PV is equals to nRT. This equation is proposed when there is no force of attraction and repulsive forces between the molecules. Okay, so then you can take gas molecules will be there. Now pressure is because of collisions between the gas molecules and inner walls of the container. But real gas means what happening between them? Real gas means between the molecules some force of attraction will be there. Because of this force of attraction, what happening? So you are expecting 100 atmospheric pressure, but because of this force of attraction we are getting only 90 atmospheric pressure we are getting, means some pressure will be reduced. Yes or no? That's why how much pressure reduced because of this force of attraction, that pressure has to be this original pressure that is applicable to the real gases. Once again, you see, you have a gas molecules, okay, no force of attraction, then the molecules collision with inner walls of the container creating pressure will be P. But real gases means what will be there? Force of attraction will be there. Because of this force of attraction, what happening? The molecules may not be collide with inner walls of the container with high speed as you expect. Then what happening? Somewhat pressure will be reduced because of this force of attraction. That only we are calling as pressure correction. So now I want to discuss about the corrected pressure, or nothing but corrected pressure of a real gas. P is equals to P plus P dash. The P dash means is nothing but correction in pressure. Or nothing but reduced pressure. Both are same meaning. How much pressure reduced, that much you are adding. Reduced pressure because of force of attraction. Now this force of attraction or the reduced pressure is directly proportional to N square by V square. Why? More number of molecules, more force of attraction, more pressure will be reduced. So write down here N is equals to number of gas molecules and V means volume of gas. Okay, I want to do one thing here, see carefully. P dash is equals to some A into N square by V square. Then corrected pressure P is equals to P plus P dash. So we can write P plus P dash is equals to A into N square by V square is equation number 1. This is nothing but real gas when it having ideal nature we have to discuss. Are you getting or no? So A is calling as a pressure correction constant or pressure constant. Okay, we will see the volume correction. Yes, is a concept carefully you have to observe. Volume correction. Okay, why we should do the volume correction? Actually what he is telling, when you taken a gaseous sample, the volume occupied by the gas molecule is neglected, he was telling. Means if you take like this, for example, V liters of the gas you are taking, In this gas, what he is telling, when you taken volume of the gas molecule is neglected, compare with this one, should not be. Why? When you applied high pressure, what happening? The molecules are comes closer but not contact. Why? Yes, anyway gas molecule means positively charged nucleus is there, electrons will be there, between them what happening? Repulsive force will be there. That's why when you applied high pressure, the molecules will not come close to each other to contact. Then what happening? Some of the volume is occupied by the gas molecule will be high. Automatically what has to be done? Whatever volume, that's why means is nothing but volume of a gas. Volume of a gas is equals to volume is available. Volume is available for motion or movement of molecules. Yes, so volume of gas means indirectly meaning is what? Volume is available for the momentum of the gas molecule. Okay, now you take this is the volume. You are telling generally volume of the container is nothing but volume of the gas. Should not be. Why? So whatever volume occupied by the molecule should not be neglected when at high pressure condition. Then what happening? Somewhat volume is occupied by the gas molecule should be subtracted. Means what volume will be there? That is calling as volume correction. So means when we are taking molecules are close together, they should not be contact together. That's why how much volume occupied by the gas molecule that should be reduced from the volume of the container is nothing but volume of gas molecules. Volume of gas molecules is directly proportional to N. So is nothing but reduced volume or volume correction. Volume correction is V dash is equals to some N into B. B is calling as volume constant. Pressure correction, pressure constant and volume constant. So that's why what happening? Volume of gas is equals to volume of the container minus V dash. So then we are getting V minus NB, we are getting is equation number 2. Means actually what we did, so compare with volume of the container, volume occupied by the gas molecule is neglected. That's why we are taking volume of the container as the volume of the gas in ideal nature. But when we take in real gases, what happening? When you applied high pressure, the molecules may not be close or may not be contact with each other. Then what happening? Somewhat volume occupied by the gas molecule, it should not available for the free momentum of the gas molecule. So that's why what happening? Volume of the gas means his volume is available for the free momentum of the gas. So from the total volume, how much volume occupied by the gas molecule has to be subtract. So how many gas molecules is there? N. So volume correction is nothing but V is equals to NB I taken. Now you take ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation is nothing but PV is equals to nRT. But Van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation. For which one? All gases like ideal and real gases also. Instead of P, what can be written? P plus A into N square by V square. V means what can be written? V minus NB is equals to nRT. So here A is calling as pressure constant, and B is calling as volume constant. As a very important thing, A should be high and B should be low. For this is important competitive bitumen. So means A will be very high or B will be very low. Then is a condition for easily liquefying gases. Easily liquefaction of gases. This is important concept. A should be very high. A should be very high means A means pressure correction constant. Pressure correction constant is directly proportional to force of attraction. Means A is directly proportional to force of attraction. Yes, A will be very high, force of attraction will be very high. Force of attraction will be very high, is easy to converting into liquid. B is directly proportional to reduced volume. Okay, reduced volume means the subtracted volume will be very less when the molecules are very close together. When the molecules are very close together, force of attraction will be high, easily converting into liquids. This is only we are calling as van der Waals equation for all gases like ideal as well as real gases. All of you understood? Yes. Once you check it, van der Waals equation P plus A into n square by V square